Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these Binge cola bottles. These are on sale, and I've never tried this brand. I've always tried the Smart Sweets, but I'm gonna give these ones a try. They were on sale, so 1 gram of sugar, cola bottles. There you go. There's tons of fiber in this thing, so you gotta be careful. As you can see, they use resistant dextrin, and then you use gelatin, and you got erythritol, malic acid, so some stevia, and there it is. Let's open one up. Okay, so there's the bag. Pretty same size as I would say the Smart Sweets, so let's open this up. Okay, so it smells like cola bottles, which is good. That's what they look like. You get a good look at that. Alright. Yeah, they're not sweet at all. They're actually pretty good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. But it has tons of fiber. Taste-wise, it has a good taste of like cola. I don't know what they use to flavor it though. It must be the erythritol and the cola flavoring. So yeah, that's pretty good. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.